haul for the 4th of July. Unboxing this joker. Ah. Still froze. Alright. The blood right there, gotta empty that out. Just get little small stuff out. That's all. Yeah, just gotta finish getting all this little stuff out of here. All that out. You don't need all that in there. That's bad. You don't need all that in there. Get all that out. Get all that stuff out of there. Some people might keep it in there. I don't. I gets it all up. Show y'all another little trick. See that right where I popped the ribs in? Stick that little syringe in there. Blow that mother back up. That's all. Pump him up. Just go down all the ribs. That's all you gotta do. And then, easy. Good rib shot. Throw you in there. You can feel it. Your hand on the bottom. You feel it to make sure you don't go all the way through. But that's how I inject mine though. See that joker just raising up by itself? Tell me, go down them real plates. Look at that. Raising up. Get in there. The joker raising up by itself, I'm telling you. It's a trip. Getting on that rear bone. Look at that. That joker raise up. He's raising the roof on y'all. I'm talking about. Pumps him up. Put him on steroids. Some of y'all don't know about it. That joke on steroids. Now, I prepared a special seasoning for baby Pumbaa right here. Think I done shot him up enough, but this is my seasoning. So we gonna rub him down with it. We gonna do like Hansel and Gretel did in the rainforest and just sprinkling with it. That's all we do with it. Sprinkle it on there though. Get good right there in that though. Get good now. Oh, hutch! You ain't sneezing. Ain't no seasoning. You gotta get him good now. You're gonna get him good. Try to get it good and covered. Put that rub on him. Cover him. Good rub. Let me turn this baby over. Ah. Uh-oh. Can't knock my seasoning down. Spent a lot of time on it. A lot of time on it. With me shooting it through the ribs, I got it all along here already. So I ain't even got to shoot them up in here. I'm probably going to do some more in the arms and stuff. Change this glove and change that one. Now I done flipped him over. I got to get him right though. I got to get him how I want to get him. Put that seasoning everywhere on him. Remember, how cute. You ain't sneezing, ain't no seasoning. Gotta get it right. This country boy stuff right here. Y'all don't know nothing about this. This how we does it. It ain't how we do it, this how we does it. Gotta get in there. Show all that seasoning everywhere. Getting dirty, that's what I call it. Getting dirty. Tell you like this here. That joker well seasoned. It's off now. I don't know what I did. Woo! That country boy shit. I'm talking about. Time to turn him though. Time to turn him. Well, I put that wire on there so I can manhandle them by myself. Put that wire on there, something done, that's a wrap. We go ahead and get this thing closed. I need that juice.